In today's video, I'll show you how to add users in Zoho Analytics so you can collaborate with your team and share important reports with ease. The process is simple and you can do it right from your workspace. Start by opening your Zoho Analytics workspace. This is where all your dashboards, reports, and data tables live. Once you're inside, look toward the left menu and click the Settings option. This is where you manage account controls and it includes everything related to users and permissions. When the Settings panel opens, select Manage Users. This takes you to the main area where you can add people, assign roles, and control who can access what. Now click the option to add new users. A small window will appear asking for a few details. First, choose the role you want to assign. Roles determine access, so decide whether the person should be a viewer, an editor, or have admin capabilities. Once you've selected the role, type in the user's email address carefully to ensure the invitation reaches them without issues. After checking the email and role, click the Add button. Zoho Analytics will immediately send an invitation to that email, and once the user accepts it, they'll join your workspace and gain access based on the role you assign. That's all it takes. You've successfully added a new user to Zoho Analytics, making collaboration smoother and keeping your data insights accessible to the right people. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful Zoho tutorials.